Hey, so I got this comment and I want to go ahead and answer it. So this is Rickita and I'm back with another video, and they were basically asking, hey, is any of these cards gonna approve me if I have any open accounts? So open accounts, I'm guessing these are negative accounts. So let's see, let's go ahead and go to my website, All Things Rickita. Look under popular links and go ahead and click credit cards and loans. So these are the credit cards right now for bad credit. So bad credit, okay, cards. These credit cards right here will most likely approve people if they have bad credit. So if you have new collections, you have late payments right now, some of these credit cards will actually approve you. The only way you'll find out if they'll honestly approve you or they actually approve you is to go ahead and see if you can pre-qualify for them. So you have a few of them. Let's count and see how many credit cards can actually pre-qualify you. And again, pre-qualification means they can tell you yes or no on whether or not they can give you a credit card without actually pulling your credit report. Well, they're going to pull your credit report in a soft inquiry, but not a hard inquiry. So we got 1 for Capital One, 2 Navy Fed, 3 Discovered, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we got 10 of them that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Now, I suggest you all go ahead and try to pre-qualify for these credit cards, because all they're going to do is say yes or no. Now, not only do I want you to try the credit cards that's in bad credit, okay? Like, say if you're trying to get a certain amount of credit cards, don't just try that list there. Let's go ahead and go down to my list that I created for credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So if you look here, it's a lot more credit cards here. And these credit cards can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So it's so many of them that you guys can try. I can't tell you, go to Capital One, go to Discover. I can't tell you that. I can't tell you, go to Mission Lane, go to Wayfair. I cannot tell you that. Only thing I can tell you is, if a credit card company can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry, then that's where you need to go. So let's go ahead and count how many companies on here you can pre-qualify for. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So 36 credit cards that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. Now, pre-qualification again means that you're not going to get a hard inquiry for them to tell you yes or no. If you accept the offer, you're going to get a hard inquiry. You're going to get it. Now, if you have open accounts and they're negative, you need to work to delete them. So look under my digital downloads and check out my dispute letters. These are the dispute letters that I use to help clients get accounts removed from their credit reports to help boost their credit score. And I have them available as 10 different letters that you guys will get. And when you get those, you want to send those letters into the credit bureaus, and you want to put the names of the accounts on there that you want to remove. Now, don't forget, most of our accounts on our credit reports, whether they're positive or negative, they're inaccurate. So that's the reason why they have to get removed. Learn to find those errors. And if you guys are inside my exclusive membership, I teach you all about it. And if you're inside my exclusive membership, don't come here to get any of these things right here. You got all of this stuff for free inside your exclusive membership. I don't want you to come here and buy anything here. You already got this stuff for free. There's no point in buying it. And it's all inside my exclusive membership. Now, also inside my exclusive membership, if you want to go directly to certain links, you're like, okay, Rickita, where is it at? I need to find it. Go ahead and click on credit membership. And we have different sections. So writing a dispute letter, you have that section. Advanced dispute letters, round 1 through 5 dispute letters, how to do the shopping cart trick, the master credit card list, fault credit cards, check system dispute letters. There if you have bank accounts that you need to remove, you have negative accounts in your credit reports, student loan rehabilitation, understanding and calculating utilization, paying down your debt, validation of debt letter. If you guys get like a letter from a collection company in the mail, you guys need to start responding to that, so that that's not a new collection on your credit reports. Because if that account become a new collection of credit reports, it's going to be even harder for you all to be able to get more credit cards. So you want to handle that right away. If you guys are getting collection calls and letters and you want to stop it, go ahead and send out this letter, cease and desist letter, and they'll go ahead and stop sending. They supposed to stop sending out letters and stop calling you. Inquiry removal letter, bankruptcy letters to the courthouse, the 750 credit score checklist, pay for deletion letter. That's if you guys are selling out debts and you like, hey, I'll pay you to remove this account. Just, I'm gonna pay you, just remove it. Like, that's what you guys will send, that pay for deletion letter, the credit card list, and then how to contact us in general. But this is where you guys need to go, especially if you have those open accounts and you're trying to get credit cards. You really need to check that out. And don't forget, it's at the top under digital downloads. You can go ahead and get the membership right here. You can see that's the membership. If you already have a membership, you can click right here to log into your membership. But start handling those accounts, because it's going to be so hard for you to get credit cards. Oh my gosh, it's going to be so hard. So definitely start handling those accounts. Now, if you are unable to get any credit cards, and you're trying to build back up your credit, especially if you got like new late payments and you're not going to pay an account off, then I always tell people to get these few accounts right here. I always tell people, get the credit builder card, get 2 of them, because it's going to be your new positive accounts. It's going to start boosting your credit score some while your credit score is dropping, because you have this new account that's reporting late payments most likely. So I want you to look into getting 2 credit cards with them. And when you guys get 2 credit cards with them, they're going to report to all 3 credit bureaus that you have those 2 credit cards, and it should boost your credit score. Now, they're going to be $200 credit cards, so I do not want you all to get these credit cards and max them out. Only spend, try to stay around that $10 mark. Don't spend more than $10 on these credit cards. But this is something you guys can look into getting. So look into getting that one. Look into also getting a Self. So Self has an installment account. And with this installment account, you guys, you have to choose how much you want to pay. You can pay $25 per month, $35, $48, or $150 per month. Depending on how much you want to pay, you'll see is different amount of months you have to pay it. If you choose these two, 25 and 35, you're going to pay for 24 months. If you choose the 48 or the 150, you're going to pay for 12 months. I usually just choose this one right here, honestly, the $48 per month. And you pay that $48 per month for 12 months. After the 12 months, they're going to send you back $539. So it's basically, it used to be called self-lender. You're lending money to yourself, basically. But you're going to get that money back, but they're going to report to the credit bureaus. So I really like that. And the best thing I like about that is when I started with them, I had a very low credit score. And then they said since I've been with them, my credit score went up a total of 155 points. So I always suggest that Self account. So you definitely want to look into this. When you have this Self account, if you need to get a credit card, they do have a secure credit card you can get. They're not going to do a hard pull. They're going to automatically approve you for the credit card. The only requirement is this. You have to make 3 of your payments on 3 consecutive payments. So 3 consecutive payments, depending on which one you have, 3 consecutive payments, and you have to have $100 in your account. That's the rules. And then you can use that money to put into your new secure credit card. You don't actually have to pay any additional money. They'll take the money that you already have in your installment account and put it in that account. So that's something I really like. And they're going to report that as a separate account. So now if you do both of these, you're going to have 4 accounts total. You're going to have 2 with the credit builder card and 2 with Self. So I really like that. You also want to look into getting a kickoff account. That kickoff account, they're going to give you a $750 credit line that they're going to put on your credit reports. And then they also have an installment account where you pay $10 per month for 12 months. And then after the 12 months, they send you all your money back without any fees. So you guys are going to get $120 back. So I really like that. And it's going to be without any fees. And yeah, I really like these. And they're going to report 2 separate accounts with kickoff. That can be 6 accounts right there. And this is me. You can't get any credit card. Like, do this method, I'm telling you all. And then you also want to report your rent. If you have any rent, you want to have that get reported. And they said they can report all your past rent for $50. A lot of people do the rental karma and their credit score go up. Now, I also have a thing here too. If you use Rickita 25, you guys are going to get $25 off. So definitely report your rent. That's like a must. But check those out. Hopefully this video helped. If this is not helping you, schedule a call. Let's figure out what's going on with your credit reports. Let's see what credit cards you have to get, possibly what loans you have to get, what letters you have to send out to remove those accounts. Let's just figure all that out. And hopefully you know, it's over 40 different credit cards here that can pre-qualify you without a hard inquiry. So definitely check those out and see what can pre-qualify you. I'll see you guys in the next video.